Last time we were here, we were working on building the stairs. We had them laid out. They're completely built, and we built these walls around the stairs and sheetrock. As you can see, this is the stair stringer back behind here. So we built this wall coming down to enclose the stairs, and you can see how the stairs are built. This is the platform that was in before. And the stairs are sitting on the platform. We cut the stringers. I'm going to show you how to lay out the stringers. We laid them out on the wall the last time. Okay, we have here a scrap piece of stair stringer. I'm going to show you how to lay it out using a big metal square. Right here is the tread and the rise. So 9 3/4 tread, 7 5/8 rise. We have them marked out here. This will be our rise right here to this point, 7 5/8. What we want to do is set that. Do it this way. I'm gonna set that on the edge, 7 5/8. That's gonna be our rise. And then here's the 9 3/4 right here. That's gonna be our tread. And so once those are on the edge, we'll just take a mark. And so to start this out, we're gonna run this line all the way through. And this side right here, we'll make this cut. This will be our first step, and this side is what hangs on your header for your stairs. We'll show you that. And then after you get this, all we're gonna do is just line this up with the lines. Just keep drawing out your stairs. Keep drawing them out the whole way to however many stairs you have. And then we'll cut these out with a skill saw and a jigsaw. So you'll cut all the way to here, all the way to here, and then you'll use a jigsaw to cut out the ends. Very simple. And we'll go show you how these fit after they're cut out. This is the top of the stringer. See how it sits back, hangs on this header? And that's your first step right here. There's your treads, here's your rises. We've already put all the treads on. And you can see the bottom of our stringer down here is resting on this platform. And then we'll cut all of our rises out of this 5/8 particle board. And we'll screw them on, and that'll be the end of our stairs.